I want to talk about, obviously artists need a bio, they need a pitch, they need all of these things, but that's part of an actual pack, like a promo pack that every artist needs. Can you tell us a little bit more about that? What would that include?
So we often talk about artists needing to have a press kit, or EPK, people will call it, an electronic press kit. And it is basically a suite of tools that people are going to regularly ask you for. If you haven't organised yourself, you will find that you are constantly going through your files looking for the best photo and emailing it. Constantly looking for the most recent media release to send to someone that's asked for it. When you go to the media or bookers suggesting that they might want to interact with you, they are always going to ask for the same things. Can I have your bio? Can I have your press photo? And your latest media release. At a minimum, your press kit will include those three things.
And in terms of that kit, you know, where would they use it other than for media, for instance? Is that going to come in handy with other industry people?
Totally. It will come in handy basically all the time. If you have any external providers on your team, so a publicist, a booking agent, a manager, they will need access to these tools because basically they are selling on your behalf. Festival bookers, venue bookers, other bands who you want to be on their lineup, they will all ask for exactly the same resources. And what happens from an end user point of view as a journalist, if a band contacts me and says, hey, we're an awesome band from the Gold Coast and we have a brand new song, will you write about it? I can't even consider that until I know who the band is and where they're from, find out about the track itself and check out their imagery to see if it's worth going in my magazine. So some of the other things that you need to have in terms of that kit are social media links and website links. You need to have an online presence for your artwork, whether that's SoundCloud or Bandcamp or Spotify, whatever that is, or your own tracks that you can send as digital files. And you need to be available pretty quickly to respond to people when they ask for that stuff.
Yeah, and do you have a preferred way to consume that in terms of, you know, I know there's platforms like One Page Link, sometimes artists have it as a hidden page on their website.
Yep.
Or in Dropbox or whatever. Do you have a preferred method?
So any of those methods are wonderful, and to be honest, I don't care as long as I get it quickly. So the best solution is when a band contacts us and says, hey, can you write about our new song? Here's everything you could possibly need and my mobile number in case you want to interview me, because that means 4 hours before deadline, when I've got space to fill, I will contact that band because I have everything I need. As long as you can deliver it digitally and ensure that the photos stay high resolution, I don't think any journalist or end user would mind in what format it comes.
Beautiful. All right, well that's fantastic info. I wonder how we can summarise that.
Have a press kit, basically. A kit or promo kit full of high quality goodies that all of the people in the industry will eventually ask you for anyway.
Perfect. Thanks so much, Sam.
Thank you, Em.